This is a 2019
Harley Davidson Ultra Classic Limited.
The color of this Limited is
Vivid black. This bike is in like new condition. There's no holes
in the seat, no tears in the seat, no chips in the paint, no scratches. It's just an excellent condition. It has 7,307 original miles on the odometer, and it is equipped with a 114 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 engine. This bike has all kinds of horsepower and torque.
It is set up for your next road trip to carry you and your passenger and all your gear down the road in
comfort
and style
safely. Being the Limited model, it has the painted inner fairing,
the heated grips. It has the new Boom GTS stereo system in it, which has a bigger touch screen, a lot more capabilities than the old 6.5 Boom stereo. AM, FM weather band. You can Bluetooth your music from your iPhone or your iPod
into the stereo system, where you can put it in the
hidden compartment there to charge the phone and integrate it into a cable.
You can also get a Harley
headset that will also Bluetooth into the stereo instead of using the old cable system.
Has a 6-gallon tank. Nice, big, comfortable seat for the rider and the passenger. Six-speed overdrive transmission. The bike does have the stock exhaust on it, so it's not really loud. Premium luggage rack on the tour pack. Tour pack also has LED tail lights for great visibility from the rear. It does have the liquid cooling into the heads. Of course, cruise control, security system, hydraulic clutch. It has the newly designed Batwing Fairing that has the vent in the front of it to help reduce buffeting on the rider and the passenger. LED headlight, LED driving lights, LED fender tip light. Also has ABS brakes front and rear. They are linked for great stopping power. Chrome contrast cut wheels front and rear. you're in the market for a new touring bike, take a really good look at this 29 Ultra Limited. Save yourself about $5,000–$6,000
off of MSRP and dock fees and prep fees and shipping fees and all the other mystery fees that seem to get added on to a new Harley. And give Will a call at Dream Cycles USA. Can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Thank you.